Benazir, the name that resonates for every woman of Pakistan. For the women of her country, she was a trailblazer who broke the shackles of patriarchy to lead a male-dominated society. In the annals of feminism in the world, she was a face of Pakistan's woman power, a symbol of women empowerment who rose to the political arena at a very young age and inspired countless within and outside her country. She opened the horizons to freedom and liberty. She fought and was unstoppable. She broke the glass ceiling and rose to become the first and so far the only woman Prime Minister of our country.
It was a victory for women everywhere, and it liberated women. They said, if the Prime Minister is a woman, why can't we work?
And her election as a Prime Minister, therefore, raised hopes for rollback of the patriarchal measures that treated women as inferior. So to the discrimination, to verbal diatribe, to mudslinging, she had a response to give. And she responded with separate Ministry for Women Development, specific quota for women in public sector jobs, first women's bank of the country, technological advancement in women's educational institutions, lady health workers program, medical technical assistant training program, women's police stations, distribution of land among landless women peasants, appointment of female judges in higher judiciary, first female deputy speaker of the National Assembly, first Hindu woman senator of the country. In her prime ministerial tenures that were illegitimately cut short, she was the woman of work, not words. She empowered the women with education and employment, and above all, paved the way with the sweat and blood for the women of today, who march, who speak, who fight, who express. We pay tribute and draw strength from the strongest of us, who took the patriarchy head on for herself and for us all. Thank you, Bibi, for everything that you did.